Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D, news time once again. Yes, the issue that we want to talk about today is about this man called the EFCC and their corruption fighting. Their ill corruption fighting. They are fighting corruption and they are corrupt. Funky D. Never see things like that. You they fight corruption, and you when they fight corruption, you are corrupt. Which one be that one? Which way corruption in Nigeria? Which way Buhari corruption fighters? And which way the EFCC fake corruption fighters? Yes, we fit things say then they fight corruption, say then they try. Because some people they say then they try. Some people say they not try anything. Say those people when they fight corruption, not them the corruption themselves. Now EFCC people, they boss what they call Mago. They don't come out once again. They preach the same corruption. You just take them. They just take them from where Buhari stop or from where Jubri stop. Because since when we know this man, what they call Jubri, everything will take Noam. Now see him, Sabi fight corruption. And corruption when in the fight, we know they see the beginning and we are not seeing the ending of the corruption. Meaning say the man never fight any corrupt politicians. Or the man never fight any corruption since when he entered that office. Because everybody, when they work with that man, all of them, they are all corrupt. Let me make we take a look now on waiting EFCC come out, come they talk. Say, man, say inside Nigerian banks, everywhere in Nigeria there, say it gets some fraudsters. When we say, then they work inside the bank. That is corruption, corrupt people. When we see, then they work with the banks. And all of us know about that because all of us be Nigerian people. And we know the thing when they happen in Nigerian banks. Even when you go take money, your own personal money, na problem to collect your own personal money. Before you know, money don't loss, money they miss, money don't loss, money they miss. Who they do them? Now people, when we see, then they work inside that bank. So, the EFCC boss, what they call Magu, don't boss out, come they talk, say, man, say, in go deal with anybody when they catch, when we say, in they do corruption, or in be corruption, corrupt officer in the bank. Say, then when the EFCC know, say, all these bankers, people when they work with all these bankers, all of them are fraudsters working in the bank. Say now them they aid the politicians when they Nigeria there. Now then they help them there. Now then they help even the Yahoo boys. Say they know that then when be the EFCC, they know say now them when they inside bank. Now then they aid the Yahoo boys. They aid them. They do fraud in that country where they call Obodo Nigeria. Say you get. And say even then when the EFCC in confirm and say among them, they follow all those fraudsters them. When they inside bank them, then they do the fraud too. Then when they inside EFCC. Now the thing, when the man confirm, say even them, among them when the EFCC, majority of them, their hand not pure. Say all of them, they will bring them to the book. Say anybody when they cash, then go answer their mama name, answer their papa name. So, but Funky D get many things. When anyone ask this man, what they call Mr. Mago, the EFCC boss, nationwide. You when be Mago, you know people when be say them corrupt. You know people when be say them be the corrupt politicians when they that country. You know all of them. You know all their names. But the only thing when they see Mago, they come out. They come out, they claim, say, then do this, then do that. Then do this, then do that. But we never see anybody, any corrupt politicians when we say, then they serve for their corrupt for their crimes in that country. But we know, say, somebody like this man, when we say he work under Jonathan, what they call this man, when loot serious money during the time of Jonathan, money when they won't take buy weapon, according to them. That man, only that man we know say he dey inside. Because that man dey inside, according to them, because him na enemy of Jubri Buhari. That is why it be say the street, because they say even the time when that man dey into military, the time when him be army, when him be soldier man, they say that man, he know they give Buhari head to scratch. Say na problem, two of them they get every time. That is why as Buhari enter, Buhari lock the man immediately. And even they say court don't try to release the man. But Buhari say no, that man must rotten inside until his tenure finish. Now him, the man will come out. Again, Funky D say EFCC, they know everybody when we say them be corrupt politicians in that country. But EFCC, then they do like say they not see them. Today, they go say they catch this one. Tomorrow, they go release them. They're not they work like that. Funky D say it not supposed to be the way when EFCC they do their kangaroo judgment or their kangaroo investigations. Okay, let's take example of Okpabio or Ganduji or Okorocha or Bola Tinubu. All these people, EFCC know them. So tell me now the kind of corruption you they talk about, Mago. You when Sabi fight corruption, when they talk say inside bankers they aid the politicians. Tell me the kind of corrupt investigation when you they investigate, or corruption investigation when you they investigate. When you know people, when we say, now them be the corrupt politicians, and you just they come out, they talk, say, you do this, you won't do this, you won't do that. All the time. Now so talk. Or not they talk. All the time. EFCC, now so talk. Then know people went corrupt, then they turn their back. Turn their back, like I say they don't know them, because those people self, they bribe the EFCC heavily. Heavily. Even all those money when they say that they this, then do that, then catch this, they see that. EFCC them, then they collect their share inside. Then they collect their share seriously, ladies and gentlemen. So why them when the EFCC now go they come and they say this and they say that about corruption? Funky D say, make you let us hear word, make we hear word. You know they fight any corruption. And to you people, when we say una dey into government, when we say una don't promise, say una go fight this, una go do that. If una no say una no go fit take any, una no go take the bull by the horn, make una just step aside, make una just step down, make people when we say then go fit manage that country, make them they manage the country, because the country not get better government when they manage the country. As we they speak, Nigeria not get president, Nigeria not get minister, Nigeria not get senators, and Nigeria they not get governors. So if una no say una no go fit take the bull by the horns, I mean the politicians, the governors, the president, the ministers, them make una step aside, make people when we say then go sabi take care of the country, make them take care of the country. Make other people when sabi the thing, make them do the job. Una not they do any job. The job when una they do now for una pocket. Everything when una they do now for una self. Everything when una they argue now about power about una self, how una want to become minister, how una want to become senator, how president want to become president, how una want to grab more power to be stealing more money. That is what the only thing when una know to talk about. Una never one day go television, go debate how una go make Nigeria better. Una never go television one day talk how una want to give Nigeria electricity or job or road or hospitals. Look at Jubri Buhari come out last time, they talk say almost 400 billion wasted a year when they don't waste when they waste every year when Nigerian people they take wrong, go abroad, go take medical treatment. I say sure. Somebody when be say the first 10 on when it do now only 1 year plus now in the office, the rest according to waiting them talk. The rest now abroad and they don't start them again now. See, last time they say he go London, go take medical treatment when we say nobody see him. At the end of the day, then go change waiting them change, come bring waiting them bring, come from where they bring the thing where they bring come from. Okay, now you when be Jubri, you don't see Nigeria they waste 400 billion to go hospital. Waiting you don't do about it. You don't see our doctors them, then they run go abroad, go they get better job, or they complain. Why una not build hospitals, create job for these people so that our doctors go remain home, work, get better paid? Because you know say Nigerian doctors they are well recognized in the whole world. Now then they run leave Nigeria. Buhari they talk say that they run leave Nigeria. Yes, of course then they run leave Nigeria because Nigeria not get job. Nigeria not get a hospital for people to work. Even the Aso Rock hospital when they talk say some people they come from outside Aso Rock. They go take treatment in Aso Rock. I don't understand all this kind of logic, all this kind of how somebody when we see it not be anything in Aso Rock, in the come Aso Rock, they take treatment. And the hospital, when your wife, when be Aisha Buhari don't talk, say, you don't not get single syringe. Aisha don't talk and say nothing there, but they budget every year for the hospital. And it says syringe, not there. Nothing there. So how people go they come to hospital when your wife don't tell us say syringe, not there inside the hospital? Now you they complain say 400 billion na him that they spend outside. To Nigerians they go outside abroad go take treatment. Why Nigerians they no go abroad go take treatment when una not build anything, una won't be government? You when they talk anytime when all your ministers and all the senators and all of them anytime when they sick or when they get headache na abroad. Na him then they run come. Na him make Funky D say, shame on you people when be Nigerian government. Funky D say, shame on you people when be Nigerian president and Nigerian senators and Nigerian governors. Una not fit build hospital. Una not fit take care of una people. Shame. All those places when they run go take treatment. Nigeria get money past them. Not be say Nigeria not get money to build that kind of hospital when they run go. But the reason why una not they build be say una not care about Nigerian people. The reason why una not they build hospital be say una not care about our children. Una they act like say una not be Nigerians. The reason why una not they build that hospital be say all the whole money where they budget una they take them to una self. I say shame to Nigerian governors, ministers, president, and senators. So make una stop to the complain, and the way una go take stop to the complain be say una build hospital for people. Anytime when any Nigerian government officer sick, na abroad. And now Buhari they complain say Nigerian people, then they go take treatment with 400 billion every year. I mean yearly. In abroad. Who they cause them? Because now talk and lie. Now him Buhari government, now him Nigeria, not only Buhari government, all of them, PDP and APC, even PDP government. Now talk. Una no go do anything, but now so talk, una they talk. Too much talk without no action. Okay, who are you complaining to? It be like the way one they complain Boko Haram. Who not they complain to? Say Boko Haram. Then when they promise one promise us be say, una one can clear Boko Haram. Una one can do this and that. Una one can give us this and that. So why una they complain? This one now, they go 4 years now when Buhari don't dey into that office. They still they complain. Or say Banjo still they complain. Say PDP do this, PDP do that. Funky D say we don't tire to dey hear complain from APC sick government. You they complain. Why are you complaining when we say the thing when you they complain for now him you promise say if you enter they say you go do am. Till today, or say Banjo still they complain, still they lament about the money when PDP government thief when they into power. Like say them not the thief. Funky D say if you compare money when PDP don't thief to the one when APC don't thief, if God open our eye to see waiting APC people don't loot, ladies and gentlemen, we no fin again no. Then they blame PDP 16 years. I know say PDP loot, but APC now, when they don't know say, these people are this thing what they do before. So, you know go fit compare it. APC don't loot, with the 3 years now what they did, they don't loot more than waiting PDP people loot for 16 years. Now so they work in that country. So make una stop to the complaint. Make una begin art. Make una begin art as our leaders. If una want make we dey call on our leaders. Make una stop to the complain. I say, or say Banjo still they complain. Say, he still they cry every day. The same like Oshomole. They still they cry every day. Say, even Buhari Jubri, they still they cry daily. Say, the PDP people loot the whole money. Say the money when PDP loot. Say not be smarter. They still they lament. Say PDP not fit fight Boko Haram. They still they lament. Say PDP not fit fight S-Men. They still they lament. Say money not there to do this. Now why una they complain? Make una stop to they complain. The reason why when una dey there be say the thing when una tell us be say una won't go repair the bad things, the bad road when PDP them don't leave come out for power. Now so una tell us. So una won't go repair everything. Una won't go put things in order. So make una stop to the complain. Funky D say we don't tire to the hear complain. Ladies and gentlemen, we don't tire to the hear PDP APC. They call PDP. I know say PDP. They not be better people. They not be better political party. APC the same. All of una Funky D say na una make Funky D get this platform. Now una make me dey here. I don't want hear PDP. I don't want hear APC. They be sick political parties. They suffer when Nigerian people they suffer today home and abroad. Now APC and PDP. Now them put us this one where we did today. So anybody when they talk about APC, you are still talking about PDP because now still them. They jump from here to there, from there to there, from there to there, all the time. So them be the same political party, the same ideology, and the same agenda. Them be. We not need them. So make una stop to the complaint. If una no say, una not fit do anything, make una get out from the office. Make we hear word. Make Nigerian people for C Road. Funky D. Now this one when I get for now, Mr. Mago, you know where them they. Make you go find them. You know their name, their names, their home, where they live, where they work. I mean, all these corrupt politicians, including those people when you say them be corrupt people when they inside bank, when they work with bank. You know all of them, Mr. Mago. You know where them they, Mr. Mago. You don't need to complain. Go and carry them. Make them they answer their mama and their papa name. Anybody when not fit pay back, you go inside and at the end of the day, you go seize that person property. You go sell them. Collect back the money, put for government account. Now so things they work. You not come here. They give us waiting we not know. You get Funky D. One love everybody. If you never subscribe before, make sure say you go begin to subscribe to Funky D channel. If you never share my video before, make sure say you share them. Give your friends and family, your wife, your daughter, your husband, your mom, and your dad, your uncle, everybody. And if you never press that best sign before, when you see there, make sure see you press am one time, so that anytime one Funky D upload, you go first get them. Funky D. Good luck, everybody. Peace.